In today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick and simple DIY project that you can do with 2 bath rugs that I found at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be making a pillow for my bedroom. The colors in these rugs is the same colors that I use in my bedroom, and so I thought it would be really cool as an accessory to try to make a pillow with it. So if you're ready, let's get started.
The items you need for today's project are 2 of these bath rugs that I found at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. Now the colors in this rug is the same that I use in my bedroom. They're terry cloth rugs, there's no rubber backing or anything on the back. You'll also need a pillow to stuff it with, and your hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks. First thing you're going to do is take the tags off of the rugs. You'll also want to go ahead and take the white tags that's on the rugs off, just so they won't be obstructions in your pillow. Next, you're going to line the rugs up face down to each other, to where it looks like if it was sewn together already, it would be inside out. That way, when you put the glue around the edges, it's going to give it a more finished look when you turn it inside out. And then you're just going to run a line of glue along the edge of the rug. Try to get this as straight as possible, just so that it will give a more finished look. Press and hold down the edge to give the glue time to adhere. And then you're just going to repeat this on the 2 long sides. Now leave one end open so that you can turn inside out and stuff your pillow in. You're going to turn the rugs inside out. Be sure to adjust the top corners. Those don't want to come out too well, so you'll have to kind of push those out. And then start stuffing your pillow inside. And the final step is going to be to run a line of glue along the edge of the rug on the outside. Fold the other edge over it and hold it down until it adheres. And there you have it.
Okay, so that's it for today's project. I hope you liked that video and got some kind of inspiration from that. Just remember, when you're checking out your local Dollar Trees, to think outside of the box when you see items. That was 2 bath rugs, you know, I saw a pillow. But there's a lot of things that you can use from the Dollar Tree and the dollar store, your Goodwills, your thrift stores, to decorate your home on a budget. So be sure that you kind of keep that in mind when you're browsing through the stores. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so now. Ring the bell so that you never miss a video. Thanks for stopping by.